We have a new video session from MonkQ. Today we will discuss the most important and the fundamental topic of biology, the cell unit of life. In this topic we will discuss the following subtopics: what is cell? In this part we will discuss the definition, the structure, etc. The prokaryotic cell and the eukaryotic cell, the two types of cell, the unicellular and the multicellular organisms, the main two types of organisms belong to this world, the cell theory, the concept of protoplasm, plant cell and animal cell, and then the various parts of the cell and their functions. In this topic we will cover up the following subtopics: the cell membrane or the plasma membrane, cell wall, the cytoplasm, nucleus, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, lysosome, ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum, plastids, vacuole, cilia and flagella. Now let's start. If you are a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian, you must have seen a boiled egg. There are the two parts of it. One is white part and another is yellowish yolk. There is a common example. This is a common example of cell. In this white part, scientists name this white part as cytoplasm and the yellowish yolk as nucleus. These are the two parts of cell. In 1831, Robert Brown first studied the dead cell from a thin slice of cork. This is a diagram where we can see the first microscope by which the dead cell was identified. Now we will discuss the two types of cell. One is prokaryotic cell and another is eukaryotic cell. In prokaryotic, the pro means the old or the primitive type of, that means the primitive type of cell. As an example, bacterial cell. In this prokaryotic cell, there is no well-defined nucleus. Instead of that, the nucleoid present, the ribosome present, not well-defined plasma membrane, and the cell wall is very rigid and the mesosome is present. But in case of eukaryotic cell, as you can see, the well-defined nucleus, lysosome, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, cytoplasm, cell membrane, centriole, Golgi body are present. In the lower grade animal, mainly the prokaryotic cell present, but the higher grade animal consists of mainly eukaryotic cells. Now we can differentiate all the living organisms into two groups. One is unicellular organisms and another is multicellular organisms. Unicellular organisms consist of only one cell. This one cell can perform all the activity for lower grade animals. The common example of unicellular organisms are paramecium, amoeba, etc. In higher grade organisms, they composed of different type of well-defined eukaryotic cells, and the group of cell perform all the activity of the cell. In 1838-39, the German botanist Slylate and the British zoologist Swan invented the cell theory. Later, Virchow modified this theory to give cell theory in a final shape. By this theory, we will have a full concept of cell. The cell is a fundamental unit of structure and the function of any living organism. Cell arise from the other similar cells through cell arise from the other existing similar cells through the cellular division. All organisms are made up of one or more cells. Next we will discuss the concept of protoplasm or the all living parts of cell. Protoplasm, the complex, the translucent, colorless colloidal substance that occurs within each cell, including the cell membrane but excluding the large vacuoles, masses of secretion, ingested material, etc. It is differentiated into nucleoplasm or the protoplasm in the nucleus and the cytoplasm, the protoplasm in the rest of the cell. Now we will discuss the animal cell and the plant cell. The animal cell and the plant cell more or less same type of cell, but the some parts of the cell may be present in plant cell or absent in animal cell. So let's start. As you can see, the cell wall is present only in plant cell, but there is no cell wall present in animal cell. The vacuole only present in the plant cell, but in case of animal cell there is no vacuole. The chloroplast only present in the plant cells, but there is no chloroplast you will found in animal cell. Rest of the cell parts of cell are more or less same in case of plant and animal cell. Later we will discuss the various parts of cell and their functions and the structure of the different animal and the plant cells, cell organelles. Keep watching.